Hey there, quick and curious friends. Have you ever found yourself torn between the desire for cheesy goodness and the need to keep your calorie intake in check? Well, fret not, my friends, because today we are diving into a world of dairy delights and uncovering a cheese that will melt your troubles away without melting your macros. That's right. We're talking about mozzarella cheese. Say hello to your new best friend when it comes to achieving your fitness goals without sacrificing flavor. And yes, that includes those who are following a low-carb diet. This cheese is so versatile it can be used for pizza or salad. Whether you're a fitness fanatic or simply someone who appreciates delicious food without the unnecessary extras, this episode is for you. So grab a spoon, dig in, and get ready to discover why mozzarella cheese is a must-have for your fridge. Are you ready? Let's get into it. First off, let's talk about calories, baby. 1 ounce of mozzarella cheese contains approximately 86 calories. That's less than half the calories per ounce compared to cheddar cheese, which typically ranges from 180 to 200 calories per ounce. Now, if you're feeling extra adventurous, you can go for the part-skim mozzarella, which clocks in at around 60 calories per ounce. The reason why mozzarella is so low in calories is due to its high water content. Yes, you heard that right. Mozzarella is like a sponge, soaking up all the excess moisture and leaving the fat behind. This means you get that rich, creamy taste without the added calorie load. So whether you're building your pizza toppings bar or whipping up a caprese salad, mozzarella is the calorie-conscious choice that will keep you on track without breaking the bank. No more guilt, no more excess calories. Just pure cheesy bliss. Next, let's talk about protein. Now, if you're a fitness enthusiast or just someone who appreciates a good protein punch, mozzarella has got you covered. 1 ounce of mozzarella cheese provides approximately 6 grams of high-quality protein. That's almost 15% of the recommended daily intake for adults, and if you choose the part-skim version, you'll still get a respectable 5 grams of protein per ounce. It's like a secret weapon for those looking to fuel their bodies without the heavy lifting. Whether you're recovering from a tough workout or simply looking to maintain your protein goals, mozzarella has your back. This cheese is like the MVP of your fridge, delivering essential nutrients without making a fuss. So next time you're planning a meal or snack, reach for the mozzarella. Your taste buds and your muscles will thank you. Let's talk about fat, y'all. Mozzarella cheese is considered a low-fat cheese option. On average, 1 ounce of mozzarella contains only around 4 grams of total fat. And when it comes to saturated fat, which is the type of fat that can raise your bad cholesterol levels, mozzarella is relatively low, containing about 1.5 grams per ounce. However, keep in mind that these values can vary slightly depending on the type of mozzarella you choose. For instance, if you opt for the higher fat content option, such as buffalo mozzarella, the fat content will be slightly higher, but even then, we're talking about a maximum of around 7 grams of total fat per ounce. So overall, mozzarella is a fantastic choice for those looking to reduce their fat intake without sacrificing flavor. Its lower fat content means you can enjoy all the cheesy goodness without feeling weighed down. So go ahead. Indulge in some mozzarella-based delights, whether it's a caprese sandwich or a homemade pizza, and do it with a clear conscience. Your heart will thank you for choosing the lighter side of cheese. Now, let's talk carbs, y'all. When it comes to carbohydrates, mozzarella cheese is your new best friend. You heard that right. This cheesy delight is virtually carb-free. On average, 1 ounce of mozzarella contains only 1 gram of total carbs. Yes, you heard me right, 1 gram. This means that mozzarella is an excellent choice for those following a low-carb diet or for anyone looking to keep their carbohydrate intake in check. Whether you're building a low-carb pizza or adding a healthy twist to your favorite recipes, mozzarella is the perfect ingredient to have on hand. It allows you to enjoy all the flavors you love without the unnecessary carb load. So say goodbye to carb cravings and hello to cheesy satisfaction with mozzarella. Remember, a little cheese goes a long way, so use it wisely and savor every bite of this carb-friendly wonder. When it comes to sodium, mozzarella cheese is relatively moderate. On average, 1 ounce of mozzarella contains around 320 milligrams of sodium. While this may seem like a lot, it's important to consider the overall context of your diet. If you're following a low-sodium diet, it's always a good idea to check the nutrition label and choose products that are specifically labeled as low sodium or reduced sodium. Additionally, you can always opt for fresh mozzarella, which typically has a lower sodium content compared to the packaged varieties. Remember, everything in moderation, my friends. Enjoy your mozzarella in moderation as part of a balanced diet, and you'll be loving that cheesy goodness in no time. Now, let's talk about calcium. Mozzarella is a great source of this essential mineral. 1 ounce contains approximately 19% of the recommended daily intake for adults. Calcium plays a crucial role in maintaining strong bones and teeth, as well as supporting proper muscle function. So, incorporating mozzarella into your diet can be a delicious way to meet your daily calcium needs. Additionally, mozzarella is a good source of phosphorus, which is another essential mineral that works alongside calcium to keep your bones and teeth healthy. 1 ounce of mozzarella provides approximately 11% of the recommended daily intake for adults. So, there you have it, folks. Mozzarella is not only a tasty addition to your meals, but also a nutritional powerhouse. All right, my seasoned snackers, it's time to put on your culinary detective hats, because we're on the hunt for the best ways to incorporate mozzarella cheese into our low-carb, low-calorie diets. First up, we have a cheesy delight that's perfect for those who like to roll up their sleeves and get their hands dirty. Allow me to introduce you to the caprese salad. This classic Italian combination of fresh mozzarella, juicy tomatoes, and fragrant basil leaves is a match made in flavor heaven. To make this delightful dish, start by slicing your mozzarella and tomatoes into thin pieces. Arrange them alternately on a plate and sprinkle with some chopped basil leaves. Drizzle a little olive oil and balsamic vinegar on top and season with salt and pepper to taste. This dish is not only visually appealing, but also a true flavor sensation. The creamy mozzarella, the sweetness of the tomatoes, and the aromatic basil come together to create a symphony of taste in your mouth. Plus, it's super easy to make and perfect for a light lunch or a refreshing snack. So go ahead, roll up your sleeves, and get cheesy with the caprese salad. Next, we have a cheesy twist to a beloved comfort food that will have you saying, cheesy does not mean heavy. I'm talking about cheesy zucchini boats. These little bundles of joy are not only visually appealing but also packed with flavor. Start by cutting zucchinis in half lengthwise and scooping out the seeds and pulp. Mix the zucchini pulp with some crumbled mozzarella, grated Parmesan cheese, chopped tomatoes, and a pinch of herbs and spices. Fill the zucchini boats with the cheesy mixture and bake them to perfection. The result, a dish that's both comforting and satisfying without weighing you down with extra calories or carbs. Say goodbye to heavy, greasy comfort food and hello to cheesy zucchini boats. Now, let's transport you to Italy with a cheesy delight that's perfect for pizza lovers. I'm talking about cheesy breadsticks with marinara sauce. Start by kneading pizza dough until smooth and elastic. Roll it out into thin strips and braid them together to form breadsticks. Top the breadsticks with a mixture of melted butter and garlic and sprinkle on some mozzarella cheese. Bake them to golden perfection and serve them hot with marinara sauce for dipping. These cheesy breadsticks are the perfect appetizer to share with friends or a fun snack for the whole family. They're crispy, they're cheesy, and they're definitely not heavy. And for those who prefer a healthier approach to cheesy goodness, we have a snack that's as portable as it is delicious. Stuffed grape leaves with mozzarella and tomato. Start by soaking grape leaves in warm water to make them pliable. In a bowl, combine crumbled feta cheese, chopped tomatoes, fresh dill, and a squeeze of lemon juice. Roll up the grape leaves, tucking in the sides to prevent them from unrolling. Place the stuffed grape leaves on a plate and drizzle with olive oil and vinegar. Season with salt and pepper, and enjoy this Mediterranean-inspired snack that's as healthy as it is tasty. There you have it, folks. 5 cheesy ways to satisfy your cravings without piling on the pounds or carbs. From caprese salads to cheesy zucchini boats, there's a cheesy delight for everyone. So don't settle for boring snacks or heavy meals. Add some mozzarella magic to your diet and get ready for a flavor adventure that won't weigh you down. Thanks for joining us today, quick and curious friends. We hope you've enjoyed this cheesy adventure and discovered some delicious ways to incorporate mozzarella into your low-carb, low-calorie diet. Remember, a little cheese goes a long way, so use it wisely and savor every bite of this carb-friendly wonder. And hey, if you're still hungry for more cheesy knowledge, be sure to subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more cheesy tales. Until next time, happy snacking.